So Snoop Dogg just had a sit down dinner with the Jamaica bobsled team and gifted them Death Row Records chains. Crazy. This league first started doing the Olympic ceremony. Day one, when Snoop Dogg first interviewed them on NBC Sports. Check it out.
I'm on the scene in Cortina, Italy, with my new friends, the Jamaican bobsled team. How's the night going for y'all?
Oh, man, going great. Most famous people here, man. Killing it out there. Killing it. Yes, sir.
I love it. And you know what I love? I love the spirit that when y'all showed me the bobsled machine that y'all riding on, it had the Rastafari colors in it.
I will be with the Team USA and Frank Del Duca, our flag bearer, and my homies, the Jamaican bobsledding team, Rastafari.
You know Snoop Dogg rate the team. Really, you have to really rate the team. Have a sit down dinner and give them chains. Look out for Snoop Dogg upcoming podcast. It's gonna be crazy. Stay tuned right here for all the updates at these Olympic Games for Team Jamaica.